Hello, welcome to Will's Baking. Today I will be making blueberry pancakes. For this recipe you will need 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ cups of flour, 3½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1¼ cups of milk, and 42 grams of unsalted butter melted. First, add all the dry ingredients to a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, add in the wet ingredients and mix until well combined. Cook the pancakes on medium-low heat on a non-stick pan. For each pancake, do a 1/4 cup of batter with 2 blueberries. Grease the pan with some butter so the pancakes don't stick to the pan. Flip the pancakes when air bubbles appear on the surface but don't close. This pancake recipe makes about 16 pancakes.